Today we are going to discuss fourth poem of class 12th. The name of the poem is A Thing of Beauty. A detailed analysis of the poem will be given. So let us start. The poem has been composed by John Keats. John Keats was a romantic poet. He was a poet of beauty and sensuousness. वो सुंदरता और कामुकता के पोएट थे. He was born on 31st of October in 1795 and died in 1821. He lived just for 26 years. He was the youngest writer who died just at the age of 26 and wrote a lot of things. Even today, after 100 years of his death, we are reading him and enjoying his poetry. So his life lasted for 26 years. Let us discuss further things about the poet. Career lasted for 5 years. He wrote just for 5 years because he started writing at the age of 21 and he died at the age of 26. So he wrote just for 5 years. Next, last volume published in 1820. The last volume of his poetry was published in 1820. That year is called Living Year. That is called Living Year. Hyperion is the work which is unfinished because the poet died and that work remained unfinished. Next, about the poem which are of class 12th, A Thing of Beauty. A Thing of Beauty belongs to Endymion. This poem belongs to Endymion. Inspired by Spenser Fairy Queen, and Endymion was composed by a poet after getting inspiration from Edmund Spenser's Fairy Queen. Next है Blackwords magazine. There was a magazine at that time whose name was Blackwords magazine. It criticized the book Endymion. The Blackwords is the magazine which criticized the book Endymion. Next, a phrase, negative capability. Negative capability is the phrase which was coined by John Keats. John Keats belonged to Romantic period. He wrote with Wordsworth and S.T. Coleridge. Next, who was Endymion? Endymion was a young shepherd. Shepherd means a Gadaria. So Endymion was a young shepherd. Poet and Endymion live on Mount Catmos. कहाँ रहते हैं? They lived on Mount Catmos. The youth child seeks. What are the things the Endymion seeks for? The Endymion seek Cynthia. Cynthia is the goddess of moon. So Cynthia is the goddess of moon. Now let us discuss much more things about the poem. Sun, moon, young trees, flowers and reels. These are the things of beauty which have been discussed in the poem A Thing of Beauty. Next is lake of virtue and inhuman acts. Lake of virtue and inhuman acts are the things which cause suffering. Beauty never ends and leaves a lasting impact. This is the quality of beauty because it never ends and it has a lasting impact on our mind. Next is message. Which message has been given through the poem? The message is beauty never fades. Beauty never fades. Lifts the spirit high. It keeps our heart high. Gives hope and happiness. Remove pain from our life. This is the message given through the poem. Next is it will keep giving happiness for long time. It will keep giving happiness for long time. That thing is beauty. A thing of beauty. Next is it is immortal. It will never pass into nothingness. The fountain discussed in the poem is immortal things, and it will never pass into nothingness. It never goes waste. It never goes to an end. It always remains as it is. Now, what meaning bower? Bower means as sedentary. Sedentary is bower. Brink is an as at the top. At the top in heaven, from where the immortal drink is poured down, that is brink. Mighty dead are those people, grandeur people, our ancestors. They are called mighty dead. Next meaning is storage and magnificence. Storage and magnificence. Story means tales and magnificence means grandeur. That is called splendor. Next is nature's beauty removes pall from life. The beauty of nature removes the pall of darkness and sadness from our life. Next thing is gloomy. The meaning of gloomy is dull and depressive. A life without any enjoy. That is gloomy. Morrow means tomorrow. Next day, the day which is about to come, that is tomorrow. Tendency of hopelessness makes man unhappy. A people who has lost his hope, he becomes unhappy. We need a flowery band. Why do we need a flowery band? We need a flowery band to have strength in spite of all gloomy things. Next, these were the things we should have knowledge about the poem, and it's my promise to you, if you will learn these things, definitely you will get all questions cleared in your exams. Thank you. Have a nice day.